Hey, what is going on, guys? Edgar here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. It's Sunday, 6:16 p.m. and let's talk. Let's see what are the expectations for the market now that it's starting to show bullish signs, a lot of bullish signs. Of course, expecting now some type of pullback, but markets is starting to look very, very bullish. And starting with S&P 500 right here. If we go from the big time frame, and what I'm going to show you here is actually part of what we do every single day right now. Okay, we're just simply following price action and implementing supply and demand zones. As you can see also here, break of structures, change of character, and with that being said, just basically want to show you what the market has been doing, right? Ever since pretty much coronavirus, we see on S&P 500, we've been on a bullish trend. Always, like the S&P 500 has always been on a big push. Normally we have corrections, something happens, a big crash due to something that happened, but it will always end up correcting. And of course, you can see that one of the biggest ones was actually the coronavirus. After that, the price skyrocketed. Now we're seeing that potentially we're actually at the end. Like this was the rock bottom of the markets, and after the drop, pretty much from January, we are in September already, and the market is starting to show signs that wants to go up now. But will it actually happen? That's the big question. Okay, because things are still bad. Like the new normal now, besides the inflation, the interest rates, everything, is the war in Ukraine. That thing is not going to be slowing down. Like we're gonna have to get used to those issues in there. The banning on Russia. Russia, remember that has also cut the gas. It cut the gas in Europe, so it's gonna be a big crisis in Europe. Coming on now this winter, so a lot of things going on. And if we study the market, the movement, we just simply see that the market is looking to go up now. But why? What is the reason? Because we don't see the reason why. Like right now, the movement that is drawing is this, right? We're just simply seeing a big push, a pullback, a push, a pullback, another push, and now a huge pullback right here. You see what this pullback is doing is breaking this previous high. This would be the first higher high, right? This is the lower high, last lower high, and now we have a big breakout to the upside. That's what is called change of character, right? Now price, after seeing a change of character, the price pulled back to what? To where? It pulled back to a potential order block right here, which is the previous candle before the big move, right? So this entire zone, it's a POI or order block or supply and demand zone right here. Now, what do you see? You see that the market did react. It did touch that zone and reacted with a bullish engulfing candle, and we're on a weekly time frame. So this is a strong sign that market simply is trying to push up now. Even though we had 4 weeks up, 3 weeks down, now let's see how many weeks is going to be pushing up. But I think just by seeing this, the market is telling me that, hey, we're going to be most likely breaking now this high. We're going to be breaking it very soon. Maybe it's going to take another, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks as well, depending on how strong the buyers are right here in this position. But it may take another 3 weeks. So get prepared for a bullish uptrend, okay, because of what we're seeing. All right, if we go now on a daily time frame, we just simply see that the market has nicely rejected this weekly OB, this weekly order block, right? I'm on a daily now, so see that rejection, nice bullish engulfing candle, and it's been pushing up for 4 days, entire green. So, and if we go on a 4-hour time frame, after seeing what do we see also? These are signs are all over the place. Sorry for the dog if you hear in the background. Right here, this is a nice, what? It's a reversal flag, right? Nice reversal flag. The price broke, pulled back, retesting basically right here. It was actually touching a demand zone, right? The market just touched it and skyrocket after that. So you see all the signs. The market is definitely trying to push up right now. For as much as we see all these struggles right now and the markets and the inflation and all that stuff, the market has finally shown signs of pushing up. At least let's see for how long. But this is a nice. So of course, expecting for Monday next week, some type of correction, maybe pullback and so on. Like I'm not expecting the market to just skyrocket like that. Just thinking that it will take some time, and we will be seeing pretty much ups and downs, like mini rallies, and the price pulling back down, and then maybe another push, and so on. Okay. Remember also that all the imbalances that left behind. So this is going to be a very interesting zone right here to watch. Very interesting zone right here. Not demand, I'm sorry. This is a nice supply zone. We do have huge imbalances right here. So, hey, market maybe will be creating liquidity, building up liquidity, and all the way up. This is gonna be a nice, interesting point to perhaps go selling right there. So I want to see what's gonna happen. And if you look also on Nasdaq, US 30, I don't even need to go back and do it again from the weekly because it's kind of like mirroring each other right now. It's just showing exactly the same thing. You see a reversal flag. The market is reacting to a daily order block, not a daily, I'm sorry, a weekly order block right here, this entire zone from here to here, as I show you on S&P. Look at the gap right now. The market opened with a big ass gap to the upside, okay? This is telling me that it's still, even during the weekend, the bullish pressure was very, very strong. But let's see, anyways, because I believe we're going to have some type of pullback, some type of correction. And markets could be perhaps, if it's going to continue pushing, I want to see this area. I want to pay attention to it, perhaps this zone right here. This is a nice demand zone. At least starting to look like it. Let's see. 30 minute. I will go with the 30 minute. So market maybe will be doing this, building up liquidity below these lows, then doing boom, the touch, and then going up. Potentially. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but we just get prepared, right? If you're actually on the free group, and go with the Instagram right here, just show you right quick. Just make sure to follow me on my Instagram, right? I'm just trying to hit 1K followers. I'm gonna be giving away 10 bundles. Okay, the bundle, let me remind you, it comes with my course, my mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. So believe me, you really want this. You really want to learn what we're doing right here. This week was we're still on this week of September, but this week it was amazing. We had 8 entries. It was a total, and I lost 1 on Nasdaq. Only 1 entry was lost, but almost all of the entries were 1 to 7. This one was bigger, 1 to 12. So normally my stop loss is very tight. Like normally my risk is very little in comparison to my take profit. So I normally send about 1 to 2 signals a day maximum. I'm very picky with my entries. I'm not just sending shit out of nowhere. That's not what I'm trying to do, because I live off of this thing. So if you know, I'm risking my own money here, so I'm not going crazy. So but that's basically it, guys. If I go on US 30, everything is just doing the same right here, what I'm showing you. US 30 maybe is going a little slower than Nasdaq and S&P, because you see that US 30 has not reached this previous high. If I go on Nasdaq, let me jump back in on Nasdaq, hold on. Nasdaq already reached it, and it kind of break above, so it created a new high, and also S&P. Yeah, you see S&P broke that previous high. So US 30 is trying to follow them as well. It's just that it's a little slower. okay? A little slow. But it's basically like it's doing literally the same thing. We have the same zone at the top. We just have to pay attention to that one. See if we can go selling in there, all right? Again, if you're interested in learning what we're doing, just make sure to go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle. And separate from that, I also have a Signal group, okay? That's a monthly fee in there. Just go check it out if you're interested. Again, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting this series of Sunday talk. I know you guys really like this type of content. You know, just reviewing the markets and expecting what the market will be doing on the week ahead. So thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.